What does an IT provider actually do for your business on a regular basis? And how does that relationship work day to day once everything is set up? In this video, we'll walk through what businesses typically experience working with an IT provider month to month. By the end, you'll understand how ongoing IT support operates and how it supports your team. Hi, I'm Philip with Banks Technology Services. After onboarding and stabilization, the ongoing IT relationship becomes part of your normal business operations. This video explains what that relationship typically looks like from month to month. One of the most visible parts of IT support is the help desk. When employees experience technical issues or need assistance, they have a clear place to go for help. Support requests are tracked, prioritized, and resolved through a structured process. Much of IT support happens behind the scenes. Systems are monitored continuously to detect potential issues, performance problems, or security concerns. This monitoring helps address problems before they disrupt daily work. Ongoing maintenance is another important part of IT support. This includes applying system updates, patching software vulnerabilities, and ensuring systems remain secure and stable. Regular communication also plays an important role. This may include reviewing system performance, discussing upcoming changes, or planning technology improvements. These conversations help ensure IT stays aligned with the business goals. As systems are monitored and maintained consistently, many businesses experience fewer unexpected technology problems. Over time, the environment becomes more predictable and reliable. If you're exploring managed IT services and want to understand how an ongoing IT partnership would work for your business, we're happy to talk through those details. Managed IT isn't just about fixing problems, it's about providing consistent support that keeps your business running smoothly.